Rich nigga, that's my type. That's my type. Ooh. What's good, baby gang? It's your boy Joe, man, and I'm back with another video, man. Back with another interesting video. As you guys see by the title, this is a very serious video. We got a very serious situation that we need to fix. Alright? As you guys see by the title and thumbnail, we're going to be checking out my girlfriend's private TikTok videos. Apparently she's been going behind my back making TikTok videos. Weird TikTok videos. Sexy TikTok videos. Well, I don't know if it's sexy or not, but we gonna see together. So as you guys know, I don't do TikTok. I don't have a TikTok account, but she did download TikTok on my phone and sign in on my phone. My mom was just telling me, well, my mom didn't tell me that I randomly clicked the TikTok app. I was just scrolling, seeing other people's TikTok videos. I was like, wait, I don't have an account, but I was like, oh, she did sign in on my account. So I clicked on it. As you guys see on the screen right now, it's showing actually these 5 videos on the top. It says 0 views. I'm guessing either she just did it or she did it privately or she did it. I want to say she just did these, cause I did hear her doing TikTok last night, but I didn't really think about it to even check. But it's kind of weird that all the rest of these got views, but these 5 don't. But we're gonna watch these. We're gonna see what's going on, because somebody would get their ass whooped. Somebody TikTok would get deleted. Somebody would get their ass whooped. Somebody would get punishment. But yeah. But before we're done this video, man, as you guys see, I think this is her TikTok name, Shine Money, or is it I'm Shy Von _ I'm Shy Von? I don't know TikTok work. But you guys go follow her on TikTok, cause she be doing her thing on TikTok. You know what I'm saying? As you guys see, I'm rapping the BB Gang shirt in the back too. Yeah. But you know, a little light merch. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe. We're going down this video, man. We're gonna see what's going on with this video. So let's go and see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. What you got your boy right here?
Today, tomorrow, yes, the next day.
Yeah, I remember when I did that. Alright, man, let's go ahead and dive into this video right here. Let's go. I'm really anxious. I don't know which one to click on. Let's go ahead.
Yeah, my titties hang low. Yeah, they wobble to the
Wait. Y'all see what I just saw? Listen to the song.
Yeah, my
Titties going low.
Yeah,
Okay.
they wobble to-
We're gonna leave it like that. Yeah, my titties hanging low. This motherfucker ain't got no bra on. We gonna watch it again.
Yeah.
Hell no!
Yeah,
So it's gonna be a
Fuck who, nigga? Oh hell nah. She tripping. We about to delete this mug. Wait, hold on. We gonna delete these videos. Hold on, I'm going next week. Is you working out or what the fuck is you doing? You showing your ass like, are you a hobo? See what I'm going through? Y'all see what I have to go through? She over here dancing, can't even put my hair, put my hubba. Comment down below what you think I should punish her. What do you think I have to do? Should I delete this video? Should I punish her? Cause these ain't obviously I think these videos are private. So she probably just did them because she was gonna post them. Knowing I don't watch this shit, she was gonna do this shit behind my back. You're not single. Your mom or anybody could watch this. This doesn't look right. Comment down below what I should do there. Cause so far from these 2 videos, I'm pissed. We're gonna do something about that. If you want to see that next video of where I'm punishing her, comment down below. Let's go to this next one. You look sexy though, but close the goddamn legs. Are you selling fish downtown? Nah, hell nah, bro. Hell nah. Are you dancing like you dance stripper, man? Girl, put your goddamn legs down. Oh, hell nah. This girl on here twerking, bro. You sure want to be twerking for me, not for the public. Bro, hell nah. I don't even want to watch his last 2. So this what you on there doing? This what you on here doing? Making TikTok videos privately. I wonder if she always do this, then delete them. Alright. Do she post them and for people to see them, delete them? I gotta start watching. Guys, as I say, y'all guys go see her name right here, guys. Y'all guys go follow her on TikTok. Watch every video she do. From now on, every time she do some shit, DM me on Instagram. We gonna make a video on it. We gonna whoop some ass. Let's move to the next one.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
This is the type of video you should make. This is the type of video you should make. Not no, ooh, babe, and ooh, not no. This is the type of video you should damn man make. You're still getting punishment. It's lit though. Next time wear a goddamn bra into the video. This ain't no damn free for all for everybody to see your shit jumping. Wear a goddamn bra. Let's go to the next one. It's lit though. This is the last one. We're going to war. We're going to war. We're going to war. We're going to war. I think I should do it. If you guys think I should do it, we're actually sleeping. Spray this on our hand, glue them bitches together. Cause she just violated me. She making videos like this like she thinks she's single. You see me saying cute. I can't watch this. We're gonna have to delete this. We're gonna have to nah. I can't watch no more. I can't watch this. I can't watch no more. I can't watch no more of this. Y'all hear that shower in there? She's taking a shower. We finna go up in there. I'm finna go see something.
Dang, boy.
What's the videos you making?
What's the videos you making?
What's the videos you making?
What videos?
What's the videos you was making on
Babe,
TikTok?
I just got the shower.
I don't care.
What you talking about?
Move, don't touch it. Don't touch this. What's the videos you making on TikTok? Don't touch this.
What videos you talking about?
Do I need to start monitoring what you doing on TikTok?
Huh?
Do I need to start monitoring? Don't touch. Why you keep raising? Do I need to monitor what I start doing TikTok?
No, why?
You gonna delete those videos?
What videos?
And you gonna delete your TikTok videos? You gonna
What?
delete your TikTok? Period. Either that, or I'm permanently gonna watch and monitor all the videos you do.
Okay.
This not funny, bro.
Huh?
You dancing like you damn hobo, like you single or something. This not stop touching the goddamn camera. Man.
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about.
I just got out the shower. How am I supposed to know what you're talking
I
about?
don't care if you just got out the damn lottery.
Okay, babe, let me put on some clothes. You got me exposed.
You expose yourself already in the damn TikTok.
What are you talking
You
about?
over here, let me dance, boo. What the bass do? Shaking your ass and shit. You got the long joint jumping up and down your shirt. You saying funny?
Hey, get out of my
You saying funny? Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me,
You
bro.
mad?
You saying funny, bro? Ugly ass. Boom, 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 boom. Tell me, bro. Ugly ass, man.
That's why you...
Man, ugly ass. Shit. She ain't funny. Well, what I should do? We're gonna punish her. We're gonna punish her. I probably gonna make a video about it. Cause somebody would get their ass whooped. All my life, somebody would get their ass whooped. Bitch, you gotta like this video. Hey, I'm still doing my video. Close this goddamn door.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to you, nigga.
Who? I show all them everything. Hurry
We're
up.
gonna end this video cause I ain't trying to go in jail for nobody. We ain't trying to kill nobody. You guys like and subscribe. And look out for the next video because somebody put their ass whooped. Be safe.
Who?
You.